Hello everybody, Mina comes to show you how to apply the Polygel on nail tips. So watch the video till the end and thank you for subscribe my channel. Please like this video and comment for me. Okay, as you see at the first I put proper and enough amount of Polygel on nail and I use nail stick, press and shape the polygel. I decide to use a wood stick or nail stick at the first and then I use polygel brush, but you can use only polygel brush. It's not a formula, you can use only gel brush. You know, it's not a formula, you can use nail stick and polygel brush or even only gel brush, you know, it depends on you. And I decide to use wood stick or nail stick at the first to shape it and make it a little ready for using polygel brush. As you can see in this part, we work on nail tips. You can watch polygel nails with dual forms tutorial on my channel. In addition, I put the builder gel and dual form tutorial on my channel too, so watch it and use the good information that I give you in that videos. Okay, let me focus on tips and polygel nail in this video. As you can see right now, I'm using gel brush or polygel brush, no difference, and sleep solution for polygel. It's very important that you don't overuse of the solution. It may affect on your nail extension. As you see, it's very easy to work with polygel, kind of hard gel. They are not moving on the nails and you are very comfortable to work with them. Okay, right now you can see how the cuticle area, the root area is clean and how I shape the polygel from root area to the free edge. When you are working with polygel, you should be careful about apex and natural curve of the nail. An important tip is that don't use lots of polygel or any other gel materials on the nail plate. It's very important. Please write it somewhere and don't forget it. Don't overuse polygel. When you put lots of polygel on the nail plate or nail tip or any other extant material, polygel will not be totally dry in the UV LED lamp. Very important tip that some of you don't attention to this tip. Okay, I should remember that. Write it somewhere, don't forget. Use proper amount of polygel, strong gel, builder gel, even soft gel, any types of gel material. Gel materials are very beautiful, very good, very easy, but if you overuse of them and don't make sure that all of the layer of gel are getting dry, the side effect will be for the customer and the health of the nail will be affected. Okay, let me review the previous step before putting the polygel on the nail plate. We apply the nail tips, and before it, we prep the nail plate. Before prep the nail plate, we did manicure. Okay, so from the first, we did manicure, prep the nail, apply the tip, apply the polygel, and shape the polygel. That's all of the steps, you know, it's over. We don't need any extra filing or anything else. If you look carefully, I don't put lots of pressure on the polygel. I just tap it, and shape it. Don't pressure. It's very important. nobody. Look at these perfect nails. You can do it at home, you can do it at salon, and it's very easy and beautiful. Thank you. Love you all. Watch other videos of my channel. Bye.